Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to post another really quick update this week. So I just got back from Toronto where I met up with Radek, who's the owner of RS Tuning, and he was really nice. He reached out to me and said using his shop discount I could get a new transmission. So I felt like I just needed a new transmission because the one that I have in my car is a CD00A, but I felt it was just starting to get a bit notchy and it's slowing me down just a little bit. So I felt if I got a brand new one, not only would it make the car more enjoyable to drive, it would just feel better, it might make it 1 or 2 tenths a lap faster. So yes, it's not a DCT like everyone else in my class, but it's going to be fun to drive. Hopefully I can shift a little quicker, and hopefully it was worth it. So the brand new CD00A is in the back of the truck, and I'm just going to unload it right now.